Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice exponential equation 4 to the power x plus 25 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power x plus 1. Right? Here our objective is to find out value of x. Okay, so let's start. 4 to the power x as 2 square to the power x plus 5 square to the power x is equal to, this can be bracket 2 into 5 to the power x plus 1. Fine. Now 2 to the power 2x plus 5 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power x plus 1 into 5 to the power x plus 1. Fine. Now, if we divide both sides by 2 to the power x plus 1 into 5 to the power x plus 1. So, 2 to the power 2x over 2 to the power x plus 1 into 5 to the power x plus 1. Right? Plus 5 to the power 2x over 2 to the power x plus 1 into 5 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 1. Right? Now, this and this. 2 to the power 2x minus x plus 1 over 5 to the power x plus 1, right? Plus this and this. 5 to the power 2x minus x plus 1 over this 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 1. Right? Now, this as 2 to the power x minus 1 over 5 to the power x plus 1 plus here 5 to the power x minus 1 over 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 1. Right? Now 2 to the power x minus 1 can be bracket as 2 over 2 to the power x over 2. Right? 2 to the power x minus 1 can be bracket this into, and this can be bracket 5 to the power x into 5 plus here this can be bracket 5 over 5 to the power x over 5, and this will bracket 2 to the power x into 2 is equal to 1. Right? Let y is equal to 2 to the power x over 5 to the power x. 2 to the power x over 5 to the power x, or 1 over y will be equal to 5 to the power x over 2 to the power x. Right? Now this equation will change as this value will be equal to y over 2 into 5, 10, right? Plus this value will be 1 over y, and 5 into 2, 10, right, is equal to 1. Now 10y as LCM, so y square plus 1 is equal to 1, right? If we rearrange y square minus 10y plus 1 is equal to 0, right? This is standard quadratic form of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? So y will be equal to 10 plus minus square root of this 100 minus 4 into 1 into 1 over 2 into a is already 1, 2 into 1, right? So y is equal to 10 plus minus square root of 96 over 2, right? So y is equal to 10 plus minus 96 square root can be written as 4 square root of 6 over 2, right? So y is equal to 5 plus minus 2 square root of 6, right? So we have two values. Y is equal to 5 plus 2 square root of 6 and y equal to, if we take minus value, 5 minus 2 square root of 6, right? Now as we have y is equal to 2 to the power x over 5 to the power x, right? So y is equal to 2 over 5 to the power x, right? This we have assumed. If we take natural log on both the sides, ln, y is equal to ln 2 over 5 to the power x, right? So ln y is equal to x ln 2 over 5, right? So x will be equal to ln y over ln 2 over 5, right? So x is equal to, if we take this value, right, y, so ln y equal to 5 plus 2 square root of 6, 5 plus 2 square root of 6 over ln 2 over 5, right? And x is equal to, if we take this value, so ln y is equal to this 5 minus 2 square root of 6 over ln 2 over 5, right? Here ln 5 plus 2 square root of 6 is approximately ln 10.898, right? Approx this value will be 2.388, right? If we take this value, this one, right? So ln this 5 minus 2 square root of 6, here plus sign, here minus sign, approx ln 0. Sorry, I am extremely sorry, minus with minus sign 0.898, right? This is not real, right? So we will take this value, right? So here this will be 2.388 over ln 2 over 5. This value is ln 0.4, 0.4, right? Now this value 2.388 over ln 0.4 is minus 0.916, right? So will be equal to 2.607, right? So value of x, so finally value of x will be minus 2.607, right? This is our required result. Okay friends, thank you.